Hi guys, here are 12 tips to create clean lines in just about any digital art program. Number 1. Use stabilization. This effect is known by many names like streamlining in Procreate, stabilization in Clip Studio, or smoothing in Photoshop. This feature allows you to create smooth lines without much effort. The higher the setting, the smoother the line. But you have to be careful because a high stabilization setting also means that your pen's response time is slowed. Think of lag in video games. 2. Adjust your pen pressure settings to ensure your tablet senses when you're pressing hard or soft, or going slow or fast, just like a real pencil. 3. Make a sketch first. Don't just start inking the first thing you draw. Create a sketch or two and draw your final line art over that. You'll be more sure of where you want to put down your lines, and that confidence will show in the strength and cleanness of your lines. 4. Draw from the shoulder, or at the very least from your elbow. Don't draw from your wrist unless you're making tiny details. Wrist drawing limits your range of motion and is unstable. Drawing with your arms gives you straighter lines and better curves too. 5. Don't draw with several small or jagged strokes. Try to make one continuous line without starting and stopping. Number 6. Use a screen protector if you're using a screen tablet. If you don't have one, just make sure to keep your tablet spotless. 7. Wear a drawing glove. This helps your hand glide across the tablet surface easier. It also keeps the natural oils from your skin from getting on your screen. Usually these come with any tablet you buy, but if for some reason you don't have one, you can get them on Amazon for cheap. Number 8. Don't be afraid to hit undo a lot. It's hard to get your lines just right the first, second, or even third time, but that's okay. Keep trying with the undo tool until you do. 9. Use line buildup. Watercolor or custom brushes make this easier, but you can also just adjust the flow or opacity setting on your brush. 10. Do line drawing practice to train your hand and acquire that sweet muscle memory. 11. Rotate your canvas to draw more comfortably, the same way you might rotate a piece of paper when drawing traditionally. Number 12. Use line making tools such as the straight line or curve tools. Other line tools include shape making tools like Eclipse or Polyline. These are really helpful if you need an absolutely perfect line, curve, circle, etc. My final bonus tip is you can just use your eraser to clean up your edges, but don't overdo this one and take your time with it. Hope this helps. Bye!